Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about case functions in MS Office Excel. Case functions are basically when you want to write some of the words in capital letters or in small letters and proper letters. Proper letters I meant with the initial capital and rest all letters in small. So those are the case functions. So let's look at the case functions in the example. I have a bunch of country names out here, 11 country names. And for the first, I want to write it in the capital and then write them in the small letters and then the proper letters. So let's just go ahead. First, the capitals. I'm going to use a function called upper. Okay. And I'm going to select, the syntax is very simple. I just need to select the text. I'm selecting the text, that is a country name out here, that's India, and close the parentheses and then enter. And you see all the letters now are in capitals. So for the small, you have a function called lower, and then the syntax of this lower function is again a simple text. So I'm going to select the text, okay, and then close the parentheses and then enter. So you see all the letters are in small. Now the proper, for proper I'm going to type the proper, okay, and India out here is already in the proper case. The initial letter is in capital and all the followed letters are in small letters. So for this case I'm going to select this one, which are all in small letters. So I'm going to select that and then close the parentheses and then enter. And you see the first letter is in capital and then all the letters are in small. So let me just drag this all the way to the bottom of the Philippines. So I'm just gonna double click this small square box on this big rectangle, the small square box out here. Okay, and there you go. I have all my countries in capital letters and then the small letters and then the proper letters with the initial capitals and then rest of the letters in small letters. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, do subscribe for more videos and updates.